Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I pre-poo my hair with sea moss gel and aloe vera gel. So if you're interested to see how I do that, just keep on watching. Okay, so the first thing I did, of course, was to divide my hair into 4 sections. All right, and I always like to start in the back, so I'm going to take that section down first. And you can see my hair is, this is a 7-day-old wash and go now. And believe it or not, it still has a little bit of moisture, but it's kind of dirty, so it's time to wash my hair. And I love to do a good pre-poo. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with my sea moss gel. Now let me tell you how I made this. I boiled some water and then I let it cool down just a little bit. It wasn't hot, but it wasn't lukewarm either. It was just right, all right? My hair is low porosity and it works better when you have warm water applied to your hair before you apply any type of product. So when the water was cooling off and it was still hot, I added some sea moss gel. And then I mixed it around really good and let that dissolve in here. This mixture is kind of thick. It's watery, but it's still thick. And then I put some of my favorite oils in there. I put some olive oil, I put some sweet almond oil, and I put some coconut oil. And then I just let that mix all up in there really good, and this is what it comes out like. So I'm gonna apply that to my hair first. So my hair is dry, so you always want to be careful when separating your hair when it's dry. Take your time so you don't create unnecessary breakage. And so I divided that first back section in half, and now I'm going to apply my sea moss water/gel. And I'm gonna get it really saturated. And already this stuff has slip and it feels really good going onto my hair strands because it's still warm. Okay. So now I'm just going to start to detangle from the bottom up. And because it has a lot of slip, it's easy to detangle. And you can see that this sea moss gel is already just redefining my curls all over again. This is very moisturizing and it feels so good. Okay, so now I'm going to do the next section. Okay, so now detangle from the bottom up, just enough to where I can get that sea moss evenly distributed into my hair. And you see how easy it's detangling? You see how that comb is just gliding through my hair strands? It's because of that slip with the sea moss gel. Okay. Now I just combine those 2 sections together. Again, finger detangle. So if you don't know, sea moss is like the ocean's miracle for your hair. It has so many benefits. I will link below the video on how I make my sea moss, and I'll also link below the video of my curl friend Selena. She's the one that turned me on to sea moss. She uses the sea moss and the water as a pre-poo for her hair as well. And her hair is thriving. There are before and after pics, so if you haven't seen that video, I will put the link in the description box below. But y'all, if you haven't tried sea moss yet, I don't know what you're waiting on. All right, so that section is through. So I'm just gonna get that slip. just gonna twist this up and move to the next section. And I'm telling you, the moisture level with this stuff, amazing.
So if you're not familiar with what a prepoo is, prepooing is the process of applying a treatment to your hair before the actual shampoo process. Shampoos can strip moisture from your hair, especially when they contain sulfates. So a prepoo provides your hair with a protective layer before that shampoo process, so you don't lose as much moisture. Now, way back in the day, and I'm talking about the 70s, when my hair was dry, my mom used to get that Alberto VO5 hot oil treatment and put that in my hair before she would shampoo it. That was the original prepoo right there. And using oils is still an excellent prepoo treatment. But now, I'm no longer a child. I'm in my 50s and I'm trying to hold on to my hair as long as I can. So it needs extra moisture. So now, along with my oils, I use this sea moss gel and aloe vera gel. And my hair loves them both. My hair strands just soak those gels up and the moisture level is amazing. I usually wash my hair once a week and I try to prepoo before every wash day. It doesn't always happen, but for the most part, I try to do it once a week. I do have fine hair, and so it can be extremely fragile. So I love to prepoo because it helps to keep that moisture in, which helps to protect it and keep it from breaking off. And sea moss gel also strengthens your hair, which helps to prevent hair loss.
Okay, this third section is done. Now for some people, you might think, this is just taking too long. Why do all this? But I tell you what, it is so worth it. I love to spend the day doing my hair. It really is therapeutic for me. And like I said, I'm trying to hold on to my natural hair for as long as I can. I want it to be healthy. So I take the necessary steps to treat my hair well. Okay, so I am done applying my sea moss mixture to my hair. And this is all the hair that I lost, which isn't much considering my hair was in its wash and go for a whole week. So this is about normal. Okay, now it's time for my aloe vera gel because I also love this stuff. It works miracles in your hair as well. So again, I will put the link below on how I make my aloe vera gel. And I'm gonna start in the back again. And I'm going to apply this gel to my scalp and massage it. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Massage that into my scalp. Hold on. And also just drizzle it onto my hair strands. I probably should have used a applicator bottle with a thicker nozzle because this stuff is thick. All right, I might have to open this up a little bit. I can't find my other applicator bottle that has the wider nozzle. That's okay. We're gonna make it do what it do. All right. All right now. There we go. Woo-wee! This stuff right here. All right, carefully. This stuff has so much slip. Ooh. It feels so good going onto my hair strands. Okay. Just twist that back up. And move to the next section. Oh, it feels so good on my scalp. When your scalp feels dry, there's nothing like aloe vera gel.
So if you want to learn all about the amazing benefits of aloe vera gel for your hair, make sure you click on those video links in the description box.
Here's a little ASMR for you. Okay, the aloe vera gel is now in my hair along with the sea moss gel, and my hair feels so moisturized. Yeah. I tell you what, if you just take this extra Prepoo step, whether you use just the sea moss gel and the sea moss water, or just the aloe vera gel, or both, it is well worth it, and your hair will love you for it. So now, all I'm going to do is put a plastic cap over my hair, and then just do a couple of errands, wash some clothes, cook some dinner, and just let this stuff marinate in there. Let all the nutrients soak in and whatnots. And yeah. So that is it, guys. That is my new Prepoo routine for ultimate moisture. So when I do shampoo my hair, it is not going to be stripped at all. And I use a sulfate-free shampoo anyway, so. But just doing this Prepoo step just adds more protection to keeping that moisture in. So yeah, I let this sit for about an hour or two. And then I am going to wash my hair. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe if you like videos like this. And make sure you click that notification bell so you don't miss another one of my uploads. Take care, guys. Bye.